Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if the browser is not responding or not working or not opening. I'll show you the step-by-step process how to fix it. So the first method is that you need to rename the Chrome executable file. It will help only if the browser is blocked by antivirus software or any other security tool. So what you need to do is just go to the directory where the Chrome is installed. I will go in my C directory, and then I will go to the program files and then Google and then Chrome, and I will go in the application, and then I have to rename this executable file. But first I will go in my task manager and I will first close the Google Chrome application from the task manager and just right click to this application and end task. This is going to close the Google Chrome application. Now I'm going to rename this executable file. Just rename it to something like Chrome 1. So I will rename it to 1. Now after that I will go in the desktop and just I will go to the new shortcut, and then I will go to browser, and then I will go to the directory where the Chrome is installed. Again I will go to my C directory, program files. I will go in Google application and then Chrome. Select Chrome, and this is going to create the shortcut. Look, Google Chrome shortcut has been created. I will just open the application. Hopefully the problem is resolved. This is not a permanent solution. The second method that you can try is just first I will close the application from the task manager. If there is any application, just go to the task manager and again close the Google Chrome application. Look, this one I have to close it. Yes, end task. Then I have to just reset the user profile. For that I will use this path. I will go over here in the file explorer and just I will paste the path over here and I will press enter. Now what I need to do is just rename the default folder to something else. Let's rename it to default underscore old. What it does, it deletes your save settings, extension, and the cache data. So now just open the Google Chrome again. Hopefully it will work. Now look, uh, it will delete your save settings, extension, cache. You need to install your extensions again. I hope you have gone through the process and I hope your issue is resolved now. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.